Okay, y'all, so I'm at Costco right now, and I'm always talking about teaching children how to grow their own food and, little things that you can do. You can buy basil plants that are already grown at the store and things like that to kind of get your children into learning how to grow their own food. Well, I'm at Costco, and I just found a kids garden tool set for $10. Let me show you what it is. Okay, so here it is. It's $9.97, and it's a Miracle-Gro Kids gardening tool set with flower and vegetable seeds. And then look at everything that you get here. Look at this. You have seeds included, and you see how they have all the little components here, the watering can, an apron, labels, a little bucket, child-sized gardening gloves, this handbag where you can put all your tools in it and to store your things, a hat. Oh, and here's like a little bit more of a description here. That is so cute. It comes with 23 full pieces. This is what the back of the box looks like, and can you believe it's only $10 right now? This is an excellent deal. I'm gonna grab one for my daughter because right now she's using grown-ups tools, and this is perfect. Look at this. So I just think this is a great deal. You guys got to come down here and get this. These are excellent tools for just children to learn. This is all about a children's growth and their learning. I would highly recommend. This is a Stanley Junior Kids Workbench. It comes with a building kit for a birdhouse and a forklift, and it also comes with all the standard tools one would expect for a Stanley type product. Goggles and a tape measure, and right now it's on sale for $69.99.